Well, welcome to Chicago, DjangoCon 2025. My name is Keanya Phelps. I am honored to be the chair this year. Um, Bear with me. I'm going to take it a little slow, drink it all in, and we're going to get through this together, okay? Um, Before we start, let's do a land acknowledgement. Um, we are sitting on, oops. The land acknowledgement in Chicago recognizes the city is situated on the traditional homelands of the Ojibwe, Ottawa, and the Potawatomi. This acknowledgement honors the indigenous peoples who have historically inhabited the area and continue to practice their traditions here in the land. So I just wanted to shout out the tribes and do that. All right, let's go. All right, down to the good stuff. Welcome to DjangoCon US 2025 and welcome to Chicago, my hometown. My name is Keanya Phelps. I am a technical project manager at Cactus Group based in North Carolina. That is the only town, Durham, that's the only town that I just love to cheat on Chicago with. Durham is amazing. So I love me some Durham. It is such an honor to stand here today as your conference chair, and I am deeply grateful to kick off this year's gathering. Okay? Hosting DjangoCon here in Chicago is especially meaningful to me. This city is known for its resilience, its diversity, and its creativity. Qualities that I think mirror what makes the Django community so special. Just like Chicago, this conference thrives because of the people who come together, they contribute their ideas and build stronger, they build something bigger than themselves. And that is really why we're here. DjangoCon is about more than just code. It's about creating a space where everyone feels welcome, included, and valued. It's about building tools that make the world better and building community that reflects the world that we want to live in. That spirit of open source, of sharing knowledge, lifting each other up, leaving the door wider open for the next person, that's what fuels this conference. Before we dive in, I would like to give a special shout out to my fellow Djangonaut, Tim Schilling. He asked me if Graham, my pit bull, would be making an appearance at DjangoCon. Unfortunately, Graham, his schedule was way too full this week, but he sends his best. He's normally my coworker when I'm doing some work, and then he's a worker dog. He likes to get dressed up and go out and do things. So that's Graham. He says hello. Thank you. Okay. First off, I want to ask how many people traveled more than or between 6 and 8 hours to get to DjangoCon today? Oh wow. How about between, let's say, 8 and 10? Because I think I heard like maybe about 10 to 15 hours. Oh, all right. Thank you. I am so glad you made it here. We appreciate everyone. Yes. Part of how we make sure that this is such a positive space is with our code of conduct. We want this to be a fun experience and a stress-free experience for everyone. That means a harassment-free experience for everyone, regardless of gender, gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, physical appearance, body size, background, race, or religion. Be kind to others. Do not insult or put down other people or even other frameworks. Please let us know if you see or experience harassment by emailing or any of those ways. You can call or email, or you can pull me to the side. You can pull Don Wedges to the side, or Peter. Yeah, or in Slack. DM one of us and we'll take care of it. That is something that we really take very seriously. I am a happy person. I'm bright and cheerful. But if you want to see another side of me, you're going to come up to me and say, oh yeah, I'm bullied. You don't want to see that side of me. So I'm just want to say we take that extremely serious. Be kind to others. It's not hard. So, and I trust that everyone here is kind. Okay. All right. So, hey, we don't do that here. We don't make stereotypical jokes. We don't make exclusionary jokes. We don't insult or make fun of people or groups. We don't harass others. We don't assume anyone isn't a programmer. And if you see something like that, you can just use the phrase, hey, we don't do that here. Um, we don't assume anyone is not a programmer. Just because someone doesn't look, sound, or seem technical does not mean that they aren't technical. Case in point. You get the idea, be kind. It's the responsibility of everyone here to help this conference continue to be a great space. Okay, and this is the side on how to report any code of conduct issues that you might have. Those are the names, and if you want to write down the conduct at DjangoCon US. Oh. Right. Right now, the only announcement I have is that we do have mask-only seating sections in both ballrooms. These sections are reserved for mask-only seating, please, and they will be, there's a sign, they'll be marked, so you'll know if you want to do sit at where is a mask, it's marked for you. This is the Wi-Fi information. Have any questions about that? It's been able to handle all of the stuff that's going on, so I think we're in good hands. Quiet spaces, American House. If you're speaking and you need to get prepared, the green room is Shakespeare. The wellness room, we ask that one participant at a time in the wellness room because we're kind of using it for another thing as well. Please use the do not disturb signs. And then there's also space for open meetings at Western Stage House. So the Lake House is for wellness, and that is one participant at a time. Use the do not disturb sign so no one barges in. Okay. Where do we eat? In the Sauganash and Wolf Point ballroom. So this ballroom and on the 15th floor, throughout the week, the rest of the conference, there will be buffets set up, and you can just grab your food and either eat in the Sauganash or Wolf Point. Swag and T-shirts will be available tomorrow. Now, I don't know what time and where. We're still working out the logistics, but we will have some pretty nice T-shirts and swag bags. The tote bags are really nice this year too, so I know that's a thing. Yes. And let's shout it out on social media. Here's the handle. Like, let's share with the world how great we are. All day, every day, please. And our lovely photography policy, check your lanyard colors. Blue is okay. You're going to see a bunch of photos everywhere of you if you have on the blue. And then orange, ask, red, no. And let's give a shout out to the platinum sponsors, 6 Feet Up, Repsys, and MongoDB. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Yes. Mm-hmm. Gold sponsors, yes, Authentic, JBS, Link and Loop, and Kraken. What's that little? And I'm sorry, I don't know that icon, the last one. Who is that? Thank you. And our silver sponsors, Cactus, Two Rock, Foxley, and Wagtail. Thank you so much. Century is also our bronze sponsor. We're able to get opportunity grants yes. Django and Python, thank you so very much. And a special thanks to DEFNA. They are amazing event planners, yes indeedy. And then Django and Python. Board game night, that's tonight between 7 and 10 in this ballroom. So if anyone wants to teach me how to play Dungeons and Dragons, I'll show up. I don't know how to play it and at my big age, but maybe, yeah, maybe it's a lost cause. But board game night is tonight. Lightning talks, the lightning talks form to fill out if you have a talk that you want to give. It's 5 minutes. The lightning talks form is pinned in lightning talks. So yeah, just if you have something, just go in and fill that form out for lightning talks. And those are every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 12:10. And sprints. So that is also it's the link is pinned in Slack in the sprints channel. There's a form. We understand that most people might want to work on Django, but if there are other projects, please submit in that form. Sprints are Thursday and Friday, 9 to 5 in the LaSalle ballroom in the venue here. But yeah, 9 to 5. And if you have any questions about like the sprints, throw those questions in the Slack channel, because normally I think it last year was a little different than what we're doing this year. Video recordings posted a couple of weeks after the event, so we can all make our way over to YouTube in a couple of weeks and see relive all of the conference glory and bask in that glow, and just support by liking the meetings and the talks that you loved. And I just want to thank everybody for being here. Do we have any questions before I go into our first keynote speaker? Yes. I can't hear it. I think. Are all the talks being recorded? Yes. Yes. Any other questions? No? Thank you. Well, I'm going to announce our keynote speaker. Thank you. Like I said, I am deeply honored to be the chair. If you see me around and have any questions, if I can help, I am a native Chicagoan. I am a wealth of knowledge. If you need me to suggest house music, if you want to go see some really good EDM, let me know. Any recommendations, I'm here for everyone. All right.